Today I want to introduce to you guys these smart glasses that I bought off Amazon for $87. Now, before you turn away because it's only $87, or before you dismiss it completely, just hear me out for a second because this thing actually impressed me. So, this is my typical glasses that I used to record. I love this because I can wear this all day and it's a bit discreet. Not that I record people that I'm not supposed to, but I just like the fact that it's discreet and I like the form factor a little bit. Although it's not something that I wear every day or indoors. But I went to the vet the other day and I wanted to capture my dog, but because it's the sunglasses, it's kind of weird, wearing the sunglasses indoor, it looks weird. So I went on Amazon to search for glasses that has photochromic tint as well as being able to see clearly indoors and has a camera for point of view capture. And I found this. I was skeptical because I think it only had 4.1 reviews. I mean, 4.1 is pretty good, but what made me skeptical was the app on the Play Store. The app was 2.3 stars or something like that. I was a little skeptical, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to pull the trigger, and if I don't like it, I'm going to return it. Well. I was blown away. When I got the glasses, first of all, they look dorky right now, but on the face, they actually look pretty good. And then when I saw the speaker to make calls and receive calls, the speakers are tiny, and I thought this thing was gonna be absolutely trash. They also blew me away. Not that they're incredible, but they're so much better than they might appear, and they actually sound pretty decent for calls or listening to YouTube audio and things like that. They are very, very decent. All the various ways you can connect your glasses, that way you can get that first person view. So over here you have the camera, and over here you have the indication light, which I don't like. I'm gonna find a way to disable this. Once again, it's not that I like to record people, it's just that I don't want people like, oh, what is it recording? What is it doing? I just want it to be a bit more private when I'm recording things. But anyways, the lenses, I've been using them now for just a little over a week. The lenses does get pretty dark. I mean, not like dark like a regular sunglasses, but it gets dark enough. I'm gonna overlay some videos that way you guys can see it. It's safe to say this is the darkest. So right now I'm walking my dog, and I had this green jacket on because it was the warmest thing I could find. But it's safe to say that this is the darkest it's gonna be as far as the photochromic tint. But yeah, this is what it looks like outdoors. Once again, it is not bad. Decent. And then it has an AI button right here, which this AI button, I don't like that. I mean, the AI is actually a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be this trash voice assistant, but no, I think it actually uses ChatGPT and stuff, but it's pretty accurate. Like, for example, when I asked it to tell me what's in front of me, it described exactly what was in front of me very accurately. And here you have the button to take pictures and record videos. You can also record just audio by pressing and holding this button right here. So it would record just audio if you want to save battery. Speaking of battery, I also thought because it's $87 that it was going to be trash. I was also surprised by that. These glasses last me easily 2 days, sometimes 3 depending on how I use it, but easily 2 days. And this is with recording, taking calls, occasionally listening to YouTube when I walk my dog, taking pictures and videos. Easily last me 2 days. So this is perspective, walking. Now, one thing I've noticed with recording a lot of videos is that your perspective is often more upwards and forward compared to lower. So for example, if I raise my arm up to look at my watch, I can see my watch, but the glasses is not going to pick up the fact that I look at my watch. So if you're doing something and you're trying to do a point of view, you would need to raise it up. That way the glasses can see it, or you need to turn your head down a lot more, but your head is gonna be in an unnatural position. So definitely something to keep in mind. Okay.
But this hose right here
Mm-hmm.
goes to your heater core.
I see. What's really surprising to me is the fact that this only costs $87. Meanwhile, Meta glasses often cost in excess of $300 if you want to be able to have the clear and dark transitioning lens. You're gonna easily pay for over $300 with the Meta glasses. So it makes me wonder, why is Meta glasses so much more expensive? I mean, I understand they are using Ray Bans, which is a little bit of a higher quality. I know, trust me, I do have a couple of Ray Bans, and I mean, I guess it doesn't make sense because my Ray Bans are a couple $100 as well. So I guess I could see that. But man, if you are looking for something cheap, as far as price, that can record decent audio, I mean, decent videos, decent audio, take pictures, transition, has a AI, I feel like this is hands down the best thing because I searched everywhere and this was the best that I could find. Now, obviously, I could get a Meta glasses, but I didn't want the Meta glasses. What I really want is the Google glasses, the one that they showcased during their Google stuff. So what I want is the smart glasses that has a display in there. That way I can wear it all day, indoors and outdoors. And so if for me to invest a couple $100, I want it to be something that I feel like is gonna be worth it. The Meta display glasses, I almost bought that, but literally every single person that I know bought them, returned them. And that was because Meta has the closed ecosystem, so there wasn't really a whole lot you could do. Whereas with the Google glasses, it's Google, so you're gonna be able to do a whole lot more. So I'm waiting on that Google. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting on the Google, this is the glasses that I'm gonna be using. Trust me, I was not expecting this. I was not expecting to be that good. But once again, I paid $87 for it on Amazon with my own money. I'm gonna once again I'm gonna include some videos that way you guys can check it out. If you see the reviews, just trust me. Don't believe the reviews. I mean, you can. Some of them are accurate, but I would say get it and try it for yourself. If you don't like it, well, guess what? It's Amazon. You can easily return it, take it to Kohl's and drop it off. So it has this app where it has a weird detection thing. So if you open it up and if you put it on your face, it's gonna automatically connect to your phone. And once you fold it and tuck it away, it's gonna automatically disconnect and save battery. I've been wearing these glasses also now for the last 2 days, and I took it off occasionally, and I still have 39% battery left. So this is what the app looks like. While you're wearing the glasses, you can literally tell it, ask it, what are you seeing, and it will describe it in details. Over here, you have your, oh, I just accidentally hit the record button. I didn't mean to do that, but while you're recording, this flashlight is gonna be on. So let me stop the recording. So now the video has finished recording. You can record audio, you can take pictures. So you can do all that from the phone or via the buttons on the device itself. It also has touch gestures on the side to control the volume and stuff like that if you want. Like I said, I was absolutely blown away by this cheap, quote unquote, glasses. I did not expect it to have so much in there. If you go to your albums, you're gonna be able to see all the stuff that you've recorded. You can play it back and you can import them. Importing speed is very, very fast. I think he uses Wi-Fi to import the videos. So yeah, the quality is, like I said, the quality is pretty decent as well. This is the video I was recording indoors. Indoors is not the best, but as you guys can see, it is quite decent. I'm gonna put this on the screen that way you guys can see it. But yeah, once again, if you want, these are like the AI. Anything you ask it or any interaction you have with your AI on the glasses, it's gonna also show the transcript here. It also has translation mode. So if you go to a different country or if you're speaking with somebody that speaks a foreign language, language that is foreign to you, you can use it to translate. Like, I'm so blown away how this thing is only $87. This is crazy, right? But anyways, if you want one, there's going to be a link below in the description as well as in the comment section. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. Peace.